This is a fun way for kids to learn their colors while playing with Play-Doh at home or in the classroom. In this colorful Play-Doh activity, kids will roll, cut, shape, and mold colorful Play-Dohs. To learn about different colors, this activity is perfect for preschoolers and kindergartners to learn their colors in a fun and engaging way. There are so many ways to play with Play-Doh. Kids can simply roll out a snake, make little balls, or even create fun shapes with cookie cutters. The possibilities are really endless when it comes to playing with and kids will have a blast learning their colors while playing with these colorful Play-Doh. Kids will practice their fine motor skills while they roll, pinch, pull, poke, and shape the colorful Play-Dohs. This activity helps to develop hand-eye coordination, and it also encourages creativity and imagination. As children play with the colorful Play-Doh, they'll be able to express themselves by creating different shapes and designs. This activity is perfect for kids who are learning their colors, shapes, and practicing their fine motor skills. It's also great for kids who love to get their hands dirty and have fun with Play-Doh. To begin, gather your materials. You will need several different colors of Play-Doh, a rolling pin, a knife or pizza cutter to cut the Play-Doh, and cookie cutters to create different shapes. You could even use a pasta maker if you have one. Kids will have a blast making colorful Play-Doh snakes with this fun and easy activity. First, let's start off by introducing the different colors of Play-Doh. We have red, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, and white Play-Doh. Let's have the kids roll out a long snake with the red Play-Doh. Then, let's cut the snake into smaller pieces. Have the kids roll the pieces into little balls. Next, let's introduce a new color of Play-Doh. Let's have the kids roll out a long snag with the blue Play-Doh. Then, let's cut the snake into smaller pieces. Have the kids roll the pieces into little balls. Continue on in the same pattern, having the kids roll out a snake with each color of Play-Doh, and then cutting the snakes into smaller pieces and rolling the pieces into little balls. Once the kids have made little balls with each color of Play-Doh, have them arrange the balls in a fun pattern or design. Another fun way to play with the colorful Play-Doh is to have the kids create different shapes using cookie cutters. Kids can use the cookie cutters to create fun shapes out of the Play-Doh. They can also roll out a sheet of Play-Doh and use the cookie cutters to make multiple shapes at one time. If you have a pasta maker, kids can create fun shapes using the different colored Play-Dohs and the pasta maker. Kids will have a blast making colorful Play-Doh creations with this fun and easy activity. As kids play with the colorful Play-Doh, they'll be able to practice their fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, creativity, and imagination. They'll also be able to learn about different colors in a fun and engaging way. If you're looking for a fun and engaging way for kids to learn their colors, look no further than this colorful Play-Doh activity. With its hand-sewn approach and bright colors, this activity is sure to keep kids entertained while they learn. So gather up your materials and let the kids have fun. Learning their colors has never been so much fun. If you enjoyed this activity, be sure to like and subscribe for more fun activities for kids. And don't forget to share this activity with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.